Hey guys, this is how to fix a Just Dance controller app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So for the first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and now go for the search at the bottom, guys. And now here, go to the search bar at the top and search for the application Just Dance controller. And then now just simply go ahead and tap on the application, and when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here and make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And another option is just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and go make sure to enable the auto update. Now, for the second solution is just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply try to find Just Dance Controller application over here. And now just simply tap on it. And after that, just simply go to the storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix it when you launch the app. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, for the third solution, is just simply hold the application and just simply uninstall the app and tap on OK, and just simply go back to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you're still having issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.